Dirty windows though, excuse the dirty windows. Just a wet day. And a pussycat that wants a dinner, don't you? You want some dinner, don't you, sweetie? Yes. Should we get you something? Should we get you something to eat? Yes, eh? Oh, she's a lovely girl. You want your dinner, don't you? There you go, sweetheart. She's a lovely girl.
Maybe somewhere down the roadway, you'll make me wonder where I am these days. Maybe somewhere down the road when somebody plays Purple Haze, but that's alright. Even when push comes to shove, but it's alright. If you got someone to love.
Well, I have got a new vintage thing. Not only am I selling on vintage, but I've decided to buy. I saw this for £6 and I thought I've got to get it because it's lovely and warm, and I thought it was a bargain. It's a boucle wool, and I'll stand back and let you see what it looks like. Hang on. Right, I've got you propped up behind the fire truck. There you go, there's a ladyship asleep. Look at this. It's a boucle wool coat. Lovely and warm. Makes me look fatter than I am, but I don't care because I need to turn the sleeves up a bit because I've got short arms. But it's not a bad little coat. Keep me warm. Let's see if I can go further back so you can see what it looks like like that. There you go. If I stand right back there, it's not bad. Probably better with the door with the door open, with the thing open. But there you go, a pink jacket. Woo! Well, I thought it was a bargain for £6 anyway. Now look at her. She's having a little sleep. She is asleep. And I could... Oh, she's woken up. Have you woken up? You want to say hello to everybody? Say hello. Yes. Oh, poor little thing. She's getting old. Aren't you? She's getting old. Well, I'm busy doing plates. I'll take my coat off now because it just arrived about 10 minutes ago, and His Lordship said, this parcel's arrived and apparently the bag was split. Should put it in a bin bag, and the bag split, so they had to repackage it. But I'm very happy with it. The lady who sold it said she'd gain weight. Bless her. So that for me. It's what is it? It's called capsule outwear. Capsule outerwear, made in China. Aren't they all made in China? So that will be going into my wear it in winter wardrobe. In the meantime, I'm going to put a fleece on because it's getting a bit chilly. Heating's on, but it's very low. We got our electricity bill last night. He said, oh, the electricity bill's come, and it was 200 and something pounds. But then when he worked it out, that was for 2.5 months, and we're being very frugal with it. So I suppose we can't complain. Plus the government's giving us a little donation for us older people. But there you go. Now, do you like these? Are my very old glasses. I don't wear these very often because they're kind of flat straight across, and I always feel they need a bit more shape to them. Not from my usual buyer. I bought them online, can't remember who from. But yeah, not bad. Now, still got these dresses hung up. Do you remember these? I'm debating whether to sell them or wear them, but I might just wear them. Anyway, I've got plates to do, so I shall catch up with you later. Oh, and I'm not going to get any money from this video because I'm put a little bit of copyright music on, because His Lordship decided he was going to go upstairs and have a bit of a play, and he's just playing along with with his favourite George Harrison. No, it wasn't. It's the Wilburys, the Travelling Wilburys. So he's playing along with their music there. So I'd let you see what it's like. And did you notice that was a young me? I must have been about 18 there, that picture of me. He has that on his desk. And today is the 5th of December, so we need to find day 5. So I thought I'd take you back into the sitting room to let you see some of the things you can do in the sitting room. There are some parcels that glow, and there's one glowing now. So I'm going to click on this, and this time it's a deck of cards. It's a different game though. This one is called Memory Game. So I'm click to take the tour, but basically you've got to match pairs. So instead of going the tour, I'm going to go straight into it. So you click one and you see if you can match it. Nope. Yes, no. Could this be it? Nope. Candy cane, yes! So we got that one. And so it goes on. So I'll just leave that so you can see that you can carry on and do the same. And of course, you've got to keep finding the dog and the cat. The dog's hiding around the corner behind the chair. Oh, there she is. And now where's the cat? See if we can find the cat. Not sure if she's there. I can see something else glowing down here. What is it? Edwardian Society. So if you click the pages, I won't go through all the pages, but there's different ones telling you all about Edwardian Society, the gardens, the architecture and the women, and so it goes on. But we won't carry on because then you need to find out for yourself. Now where's that cat? There she is. Click on there and there she is. Hello, pussycat. And it's now December the 5th, 8:10. So I've got a day 4 to get up and possibly a little bit of day 5. There's not much of a day 5 for you. I've been working all day getting orders out, and I've nattered a bit here and there, so you might enjoy that. I'm sat here with my cup of tea. His Lordship has been invited out with his fellow musicians for a drink and a quiz and a drink, or a drink and a quiz, or a quiz and a drink. And so I said, get yourself along there. And I was going to run him there and run him back so that he could have a drink. But he said no. He said he's going to go and he'll watch what he's only going to have 1 pint and then he's going to stay sober. So he's gone off in his car. So he'll be on the, what do you call it? Non-alcoholic beers. If he does drink beer, he tends to drink orange juice when he's on the non-alcoholics. So this is going to be a very brief day 5, but a fairly long day 4. So there you go. Catch you later.